Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Kiswatun Muhayaro. You can call me with nickname is Kikis. I'm from the Biology Education Study Program of STKIP Latan Samashiro, Rangkas Bitung, Banten, Indonesia. I and my partner is Asri Lestari, who is represented by me, will present the result of my research entitled about the relationship between healthy literacy and cognitive outcome of biology teacher candidate during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next. The research of motivated by the presence of the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19, which has spread widely in almost all parts of the world, including Indonesia, so that WHO has designated this virus as a global pandemic. Data up to May 2021 show that COVID-19 has infected more than 166 million. Various ways have been carried out by Indonesia, including establishing a body that handles COVID-19, namely the Task Force for the Acceleration of the Handling COVID-19. The Task Force for the Acceleration of Handling COVID-19 does not more alone, but is assisted by stakeholders such as academics. Their task is to conduct a series of research, technical support of Indonesia to the public regarding and spread of the COVID-19. However, one the prerequisites that most of preceded by an actor suppressing the spread of COVID-19 is to understand healthy information properly and will talk healthy literacy as well as knowledge of COVID-19. Next. Next, method research. The study uses a quantitative approach, which a correlation type of research that aim to determine the relationship between healthy literacy and cognitive outcome of prospective biology teacher during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sample were taken from prospective biology teacher for the first, the third level 2 year 2021, and then sample selection was done by simple random. Next. The location of the research in the one of the biology education study program, private university in Lebak Regency, Banten Provinsi, and Indonesia. The instrument used in the research are short form from healthy literacy survey questionnaire 12 or HLS SVQ 12, biology teacher candidate, COVID pandemic test and interview guide. And then analysis of the questionnaire and test data was carried out by calculating the raw score and then continuing the prerequisite correlation test in the form of a normality test and linearity test through the SPS software. Next. Next, result and discussion. Best result and discussion. Based on the table on this slide, the number of prospective biology teacher or respondent involved in the research is 47. The average value or mean, the healthy literacy of prospective biology teacher during the COVID-19 pandemic is 65. Will the average value or mean, the cognitive result of prospective biology teacher during the COVID pandemic were 79. And then prerequisite test of the correlation in the form of normality test and standard deviation or SD. The significant value or P for the Kolmogorov-Smirnov normality test on the healthy literacy of a prospective biology teacher during a pandemic is 0.2 or P propendiran 0.05. So based on the TIS, the data is normality distribution. And then the same thing also happened to the cognitive outcome of prospective biology teacher during the COVID-19 pandemic. The significant value or P for the Kolmogorov-Smirnov normality test on the cognitive outcome of prospective biology teacher during the pandemic was 0.93 or P preponderance 0.05. So based on the test, the data awareness data distribution normal. Next. Next, furthermore, the standard deviation or SD test aim to describe how much variance of the data. The standard deviation value is 14. It both healthy literacy and cognitive for prospective biology teacher during the COVID-19 pandemic. This means that the standard deviation value is smaller than the mean. This indicates that the mean can be used as a representation of the entry data. Next. Next, test the correlation based on the table in this slide. An R value of 0.760 is obtained, which show a positive relation between healthy literacy and cognitive outcome of a prospective biology teacher during COVID-19. The relation belongs to the category of very strong correlation. With an R table of 0.288, the calculated R value, which is greater than the table indicates that there is a relation between healthy literacy and cognitive outcome of a prospective biology teacher during the COVID-19 pandemic. The significant value of P value is 0.0. This value is less than the alpha used, which is 0.05. It can be concluded that there is a positive and significant relation between healthy literacy and cognitive outcome of prospective biology teacher during COVID-19. Next. Conclusion. A positive relation between healthy literacy and A positive relation between healthy literacy and cognitive outcome of biology teacher candidate during the COVID-19 pandemic, which an air value with an R value of 0.760 and a significant value of 0.00. Thank you so much watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.